Hey Pixomatic users, in this tutorial you will learn how to use the double exposure tool. This tool allows you to blend two images together and create artistic compositions. First of all, choose two pictures that you will blend together. For this tutorial, we have chosen this portrait as our main image. Before blending a second picture, we first need to adjust this image. Select the Adjust tool and increase the brightness, contrast, and gamma values. If you would like to learn more about how to use the Adjust tool, make sure to watch the tutorial. Click Apply, then add another layer. Choose the photo of the second layer from your computer or from the integrated stock photo libraries. Let's select this picture. Drag one of the corners to resize it. Now, it's time to use the double exposure tool. Click on the double exposure icon in the left panel. The most common mode for double exposure is lighten mode, so we'll go with this one. Move and resize the second picture. We pretty much have the edit ready. However, we should add some more contrast. Now, let's retouch the image. Reduce the size and the intensity of the brush. Also, make sure the erase function is selected. Brush over the areas you would like to be removed. Click Apply. Check this out, our image is now ready. You can now save your work and edit it later, or you can save it and hit download. We can't wait to see what you create. Thank you for using Pixomatic.